morning, everybody. This is Davey from the New Trader. This is Marie. Let's see what opportunities we find in this market today. The market is the SPY is really flat right now. Very close to the PCL, very close to the actual pre-market high, and let's see what it wants to do. We are a little bit later than normal today. I had a couple things to do during the morning, so let's see. I don't know if I want to go short, long, anything. Maybe it's gonna be short again, but like in the daily, probably those SPY really want that 50 moving average. So or the 20, I don't know. Like it's far from both yet. So I'm gonna erase all those lines. And let's see. Yeah, like it's still far from even from the 50 is far. From the 20 it's just $2. So watch out for that. So Marie, how are you doing today?
I am doing well, Davey.
Pretty
I
good.
could have slept a little bit longer. I think it's just the weather. So, over my headache of yesterday, so doing well today. And you?
Very nice. Pretty good too. Maybe the same than you. I sleep very well too, but maybe I could sleep a little bit more. Not complaining too much about that. just a little comment there. So I'm gonna take a couple shares of Tesla. Let's see if Tesla wants to go.
Did you see PLTR? My goodness gracious.
I haven't seen PLTR, but
153.
oh yeah, okay. So I have that Tesla there. I have an order to get some Tesla. Very little shares just to see what it does, and I don't want to do what I did yesterday. Really, there is no sizes in there also for me to justify that trade. PLTR is a little bit too extended toward the downside, so I kind of don't like to take it. Well, I say that probably is not true.
Well, you could be right. I'm thinking at about 150.
Okay, I'm gonna take the PLTR a little bit different, but yes, I'm gonna take PLTR. PLTR. Is there anybody at 150? Oh yeah, there's
Yeah.
a couple hundred lots.
INTCs will provide an incredible opportunity.
So I have an order to get the PLTR. Probably it's gonna get me. Let's see. It's gonna have to make a higher high, which what I'm okay with is just like even Tesla. Like I have Tesla. I have an order to get Tesla at 329, and I couldn't get
Oh,
it.
wow.
I'm trying to go short.
Well, I'm going to put a small position
Still
for
have the VAR.
NTC. Wow. Okay, Webull. That is looking good.
I want a PLTR to make a higher high for me to go short. Probably that was it. I'm not sure about that. Let's see. Didn't your computer have an update? Oh, you got Bull. Your computer didn't have any update today? No?
I didn't check. Actually, this morning I was running a little bit. Did you?
Yes, I still have to do it. I haven't done it.
Okay.
Come on, Palantir, go for it. Okay, we got Tesla.
Oh,
As I say, I am not rushing Tesla. It's just we see what it did yesterday, so you will really have to move. Like I could, this time I plan to add
okay.
on Tesla, but I want to add at a way higher price if ever you go higher. And we got PLTR. So PLTR looking a little bit more sketchy than Tesla for the long. Let's see. Do you say that PLTR manifest yourself? Sorry, it's not a joke. So let's look at those volume and those tapes because I kind of pulled those things out of nowhere. So what we have here? So we have PLTR. Tesla, the volume is very diminishing. Like it's very low volume Tesla. I expect Tesla to go down probably. Though when we look on Tesla. PLTR is gonna get me out. I'm okay with that. Just PLTR is gonna be there. Yeah, perfect. He got me out. Wolf, BBAI. Gotcha. Trying to retake PLTR.
I'm keeping my eye on AMD, on INTC.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah.
You're in Tesla?
Yeah, and I'm trying to take PLDR again,
Mm-hmm.
but it's not manifesting. It's not getting. I have an order to get short, but it was my mistake, to be honest, because I didn't read the tape. The Jackson Hole today is the 20. Isn't it the 21?
Today's the 20th?
I don't know how to say that in English. Symposium.
Symposium. You got
Symposium.
it.
Okay. Today, there is a lot of oil related numbers come out that will come out at 10:30, but at 2 o'clock we have FOMC minutes. Watch out, it's no FOMC meeting; it's FOMC minutes, and at 8 tonight it's gonna be Jackson Hole's symposium.
It starts today.
Starts today, yeah. But the actual meeting begins tomorrow. What do I need to check? I was going to check something and I forgot what it was. Hood, because I have an order to get some hood.
Oh.
Yeah, and I'm gonna get it right there. Come on, hood. There we go. This thing, that's no hood, that's hood. It's coming down aggressively. Oh my god, don't behave that good. Yeah, it's behaving very good. But there we go. I wanted to not behave good because I was back running it instead of front running it. Dun, 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 dun. The LTR, as you can see, just wigged me out here, and I wasn't fast enough to go back. I put an order here. I just was a little bit too picky with that order. We're gonna get out of food right now, and that's good that we went out of food, and that's what we want to do. Tesla, unfortunately, I didn't add more, but Tesla is going good. What's up?
Okay. AMD looks good at 162, but
I'm gonna take the other side of that question, not to go against you, but it's because of as the order didn't held, I'm not expecting AMD to hold either. So yeah, I'm gonna take a short. What was that? Yeah, I have too many shares of this thing. Both is printing.
nice.
AMD, we're gonna liquidate a lot of that. My head's on the water. I'm breaking even for AMD. The reason for that is because I decided to keep more shares, so I'm okay with that. Exactly. So I want it back, but I want it back with the right amount of shares I want. Like that was a full position of the 15 cents, which means I pressed the wrong hotkey. Again, I pressed the wrong hotkey. Okay, this one. Cancel again. Cancel. Oh, we did good in there. Like we really went too flat.
Nice.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna get the shares right there because AMD is very flushy right now, and it doesn't wanna. Hey, I chased it a bit, but it's okay because that's what we do sometimes. So I have done mistakes worse than that. That was yesterday on Tesla, and yeah.
Incredible.
What is the price? Spice, just remember 636 is the 220 moving average, which means it may bounce from 636. And if we want to be a little bit more picky on that price, that will be daily, and that will be 635.87. 635.87. Let's put that in there. Da, 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 da. If you look at me, I will look at you. I know because I am so pretty. ah, ay, ay,
I
ay.
love it. What's she gonna do there?
Oh my goodness, PLTR went through. Like that was my goal to go through the 50. Conventional is not working anymore. So like I say, hey, it's gonna make people believe that it's gonna go above the 50. And yes, it went 150.70 cents. Talking about PLTR. And then when it went up, it went all the way down to 148.60. Man, I'm wrong typing today. Like sleeping good is sometimes not too good.
You're funny.
I know. I'm sorry. Oh my goodness, PLTI is below the 50 moving average. Are you kidding me, my guy? Are you kidding me?
We've got a lot of stocks that are SSR.
Apparently, Trump wants to do something with Venezuela. Did you hear that? I don't know how much of that. Like, Bloody was the one that told me this morning. I say, what? I didn't know. But there is a book hanging around, like from a guy that pretty much, I'm pretty sure that now is crucified. But it was a guy that wrote a book and like about his intentions of invading Venezuela. But they say it's because he's ahead of the cartel thing.
Correct. That's
But,
what
like,
his issue is.
It's not true. It is not true. He can say whatever he wants to say. What he wants is the oil from there.
Oh.
Is the oil what he wants from there? I mean, like the part of the negative. Like, of course, I agree. Take down that guy because, like, I mean, you know, it's there's a lot of people paying that price, suffering. I have Venezuela friends at some point, but like,
Okay.
and I know how they live. But it's yeah, we're gonna bang it and ring that bell. Look at that beautiful tree.
Woo!
But yeah, so like
Wow.
it's just
Top to bottom.
it's-
Perfect.
it's just well, the bottom is not there. It's just I have to be nimble. Like I was easing there, but like look at that volume, my God! Look at that volume. So yeah, but what I was going to say is like from his first administration, I don't know who was that guy. I don't remember right now who was that guy. But somebody that was in his office, like working for him. He wrote a book about his intention of invading Venezuela,
Mm.
and that guy got fired and demand and all that shit. You know, like the regular process when you do something with Trump.
Yep.
So
You get sued, you get fired,
it happened
you
to
get
Elon
jet-
with X.
you get blacklisted.
It happened to everybody. We are not friends anymore.
Mm.
You hurt my feeling. So what do I need? I cannot take more trades.
No?
No.
Why?
Because I'm gonna get blocked. What do I need? Oh yeah, that. Was it John Bolton?
Okay.
John Bolton was the writer. Let's look at that.
Is it the one?
I think so. He served as the 25 United States ambassador to the United Nations.
Mm.
So, and wasabi.
Hmm?
No.
We could be looking at
Mm-hmm.
a reversal. It's freaking about time.
Yeah, it was Bolton.
It was Bolton?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
what
Bolton
did he
claimed in
do?
the book, Trump said it will be legal to invade Venezuela and that the South American country was really part of the United States. Bolton allegates Trump say it will be cool to invade Venezuela. And that's why he went into trouble with him and he got sued and he got sepultated politically talking, but yeah. Esteloba Loba.
Should be taking.
Yeah, I don't know how I memorized this shit, but like, yeah.
You're like, holy crap, you're mine. That brain of yours.
It's useless until it's not useless anymore because I like she said that today and I say, hey, it happened the whole time, the whole thing, but it was in 2006 or 2018. Yeah, like he began 2006.
Let's go.
I think the actual friction was happening in 2018. Yeah, it happened in 2018.
Okay. Let's go. Almost.
What are you trading? Hims and hers. Whew.
You know I like.
Yeah.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Yeah, I see you catch the bottom there.
Yeah.
Hims.
Full position.
Here we go with hims and hers.
I was just looking at something that could be doing like a bottom.
Yeah, like though I think it's just a
Reversal.
little vent. Like I mean, you know what I mean, right?
Mm?
Like, well, things are very far from the moving average, so probably it's a legit reversal for now. But maybe I say
That's
that
why
because
I've got
I'm
the
very
hands
sure.
on the wheel with because it has potential to go to 43. But it could reject the VWAP right there.
But things are very spread. If you see like, yeah, like kind of spread, and
Reprint 80. Come on, man. And there it is. It had to reprint 80. Let's
that
go.
was hims and hers.
Reprint
Yeah, like-
80. Ah.
Hims and hers. I was going to type the whole thing. Holy crap! Man, I'm very attracted to, and I don't know if Mark at any point is listening back, but like AMC, like I am so tempted to liquidate Tesla and go into AMC
Really?
that it feels wrong. Yeah,
Why AMC?
why AMC? Because it's a very attractive price in my opinion.
What is it?
It's at 283. My goal was to get it at 290, but the problem is like, you know how all those companies are getting into conflict with these guys. So I kind of don't know whatever because, like you know, South Park is one of them that is in AMC is from AMC. So the guy that got fired that we just were talking yesterday is also AMC. So it's like, of course, like AMC, like. Why do you think that AMC is a legacy? Like I mean, this stock has been diluted so much, and like if that stock will be a juice, it will be tasting so bad, like just like water, pretty much. But like no, it's hard to calculate because they have been doing like they have been MacGyving a couple of things, but like the fact that they are trading there, like I wouldn't be surprised if in the long term they go back up. But it will require a lot of effort, a lot of things. Like the only reason why they are surviving now probably is because of the legacy. But like when I say the legacy, it's a company that has so much resources one way or the other.
History, resources, everything. Right?
Relations, like links, something like that. Like it's yes, it
Network.
can go bankruptcy and like go to crap, but it will take long. It's like INTC. Like INTC, from when is INTC? Like I think INTC is from before the 2000s, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. And that's what I mean. Like it went to 2019, and it was very attractive. I say 19 to 27 is a sweet price. But yeah, like when was Intel founded? In the 68. So I was my parents were at years old. One was 1 year old, the other was 2 years old.
Oh, that makes me feel old.
Why? Why?
That I'm older than your parents.
Oh, you are the same age than one of them? No?
65.
Ah, okay, yeah, you are 1 year older. Like, yeah, my dad is from the 66,
Okay.
and my mom is from the 67. Man, I just saw my conscience getting myself like, don't say it. Don't say it. You know when you are
right.
just in the line about to say something, you feel yourself holding by the shirt to the back, like, don't say it. It's gonna be wrong.
Oh, God, you're hilarious. Oh, that was a good one.
Good job, Dave. You catch yourself on time.
Oh, good one. I already knew that I was a little older than your parents.
Good job.
That was funny. Hey, we need to laugh sometimes, right?
Of course.
My goodness.
Or cry, whatever you prefer.
I prefer laughing. Thank you. There's plenty of reasons to cry.
Yeah, let's be a little bit more optimistic.
Yeah, right? Right? There's so many reasons to cry. Let's laugh.
Did you see a spy making lower low?
634.20? My goodness.
Drop it like it's hot. Why I have that song on my head?
Sing it?
I don't know how it say. It's I think it say all of me. I know it's Bruno Mars.
Are you sure it's Bruno Mars?
Yeah, it's Bruno Mars.
I don't think. Well, the song that I'm thinking about, I don't think it's Bruno.
The one I say, even when I lose or win it.
Isn't it? Love you. Yeah, that's not Bruno Mars.
Oh.
No, it's Legend. No, it's All of Me. It's John Legend.
John Legend. Oi, 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 papa. But there is a version maybe of Bruno Mars. Let's
No.
see. You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, let me mute myself.
video where he sings it. He just goes to a restaurant and surprises everything, sits at the piano and starts nuts.
All right, now it's normal. Now we are back. So let's whack that man. Here comes the money.
Here comes the money. Money, money.
Yum.
Good job.
Thank you.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Today I would say there was only one that really didn't do what I was wanting to do, but like it's okay. I mean, like I got the right direction. It's just like I wake me out because I didn't look at the tape. So, and that was PLTR.
Okay.
But then Tesla, the mistake on Tesla was to not add more. But like I'm okay with that. Like I mean, this is a pretty big move to the downside, you know. Like I went all out there, and look how it's going. So
Yeah,
it's like
yeah. I know what you mean, right? You're saying, God, come on, man.
What's up, laddie? You just missed the John Lennon tertulia we had. So
Hola, Larry.
yeah. So but it's today it was very easy because the same thing we have been talking about, like very directional. It's not trap anywhere.
Nope. You'd like it to be traps.
I
Just
don't like it to be
Stop
trapped.
losing it, you know. But geez, Louise.
I took a long actually that didn't work either. Wasn't it an AMD? Yeah, the first
Yep.
long it didn't work. So I went long. What's AMD? No, what's Nvidia? No, what was that? Was
I thought he's in.
no, it was Hood. It was Hood. Hood was that. Yeah, I took the long here, and like for you to have an idea, that little move here is $1. So it's $1 stop loss in there. So it went down. So and I say, oof, you don't want to go there anymore, you know. So yeah. Yeah, him's fighting with the VWAP. Him's.
Let's go. IMS is usually not correlated with the market, so I needed something that wasn't correlated. Because this has been nuts.
Well, like it depends how you look at it because, if you see at the open, it went down a lot. Like I mean, even after this whack there, it just went down. So that fight with the VWAP, I am reserving my comments on that. It looks like if it's gonna go down. So, but like, don't listen to me. Like you do.
I know what you mean. I know what you mean. I totally get it. Totally get it.
Like the volume is super high in the selling, so compared to the buying.
It's just that the RSI is definitely picking up. And the sellers, the candle for the seller, the volume candles on the sellers keep coming smaller and smaller while the buyers are bigger and bigger. So I'm really hoping I've got a good price. I've already taken like what, 1, 2, 3, 4 partials. So doing well. The fact that I'm thinking it's gonna pop, and there it is, let's go. Ha ha. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Where are you going? 42? If you could hit 42. Yeah, 42's on deck. Oh, me gusta. Davey, check this out.
Looking very good. I see what you mean.
Let's go to the PCL, people. Come on, my grain of sands. Let's push that thing right up. Just in case I said 42.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Okay, let's check the prints. What's happening here? Okay, so 42, definitely we've had some people take some liquidity there. I want to reprint 42. Okay, so we've got some acceleration here on that tape. 90s reprinted. I like that.
Let's put the hymns here. Like I want.
I want a 42. Let's go.
Hems.
Okay, 41.92. Okay.
Sentado en la mesa, en aquel viejo bar, yo tímidamente comienzo a temblar y así.
Cantar.
Termina la fiesta, cada cual a su casa. Yo me voy con tu cara pintada en el alma y sin bien conocerte. Ya te comienzo a extrañar. Ay, ay, ay. Tal parece que yo me acostumbré a ti en un solo día. De tanto extrañarte como si hacen años que te conocía. Tal parece que yo en un solo baile te entregué mi vida. Tal parece que el sentimiento no era que había. Bailamos bachata, merengue, bolero. Hablamos bajito, chocamos los dedos y así. Cupido flechándome. Hey. If it has any relevance, the ADD just keep going down, but like below, like it was positive 300, about
Okay.
380, 400 probably, and right now it's negative 300. I went a little bit below that, like it was almost a negative 400, but
Okay.
yeah, it's there is a moving average cross there, like.
So that means a reversal, doesn't it?
Not yet. That means selling pressure.
Okay.
Like if we hit 1,000, that's a reversal. Because if it stay constant between 400 and 600, it means that the selling pressure is constant. And what happens is like when it goes all the way to the 1,000, there is a lack of there is such a lack of buying that there are too many participants in one side of the boat. So some of them
It's
have
gonna
to.
tilt.
Yeah.
I like that analogy. They're all on one side of the boat. Okay. Don't like this here. Come on. I need you to reprint. Let's go.
Like I don't know if it's fair to say that all the reversal happened because of a lack of liquidity. No, maybe no.
Well, not maybe all, but I think it could be a good reason.
That's a good subject to analyze at some point because
Okay. Reprint 90 for me, please. Oh, you're not going to pull back to the view up again. Oh. It's okay. Reprint 80.
Yeah, I still have a freaking headache.
Oh no.
Yours is gone?
No. It's a little better. Wow, that dumps off the VWAP was spectacular. Let's go. Come on. 90. Let's go.
Ay, ay, ay.
What is I?
There is a unhealthy volume coming up at AMD at 160.90. Like I have AMD here. Let's see if it's gonna hold. Probably it will hold, but like, why did they went so heavy there? Is my question. Like that will normally, if it doesn't trade above, it's gonna be resistance. Like that was about 70 cents above,
Mm-hmm.
and like, yeah, if it clears, it's gonna clear for good. So, but it didn't clear. Yeah, like what happened right there on AMD at 160.90.
Mm-hmm.
It's just suggesting that there is too many selling it going on. So, yeah, probably it will go back up, but like. The chart anatomy is saying that it shouldn't go above the high. So like you see that Trump did send ships to the to Venezuela? No, you didn't see that.
Well, they've been there for a while, no?
He sent more.
They've been stopping a lot of boats.
I'm gonna mute myself again. We are back. So Nvidia tapes is looking a little bit bearish yet. Like if you look at around 169 on Nvidia, around there, like I mean, there is a bunch of sizes everywhere around there. Also the 70 half, like I mean, probably it's gonna consolidate for a little bit, but I would be aiming for the short side because like it's heavier. So if you are lucky, probably this can go 171. But everything is doing that. Like if you see everything try to go higher, but look at SPY. SPY went to the 50 and then came back down.
Gave it all up.
Yeah, so unfortunately, like we are trading below the moving average, like the 50 moving average in the daily. No, the 20 moving average in the dailies that we are below. Yeah, right now we are officially below there, so we can easily go to the 130, which is the 50 EMA, and like 50 SMAs. This chart is EMA. I shouldn't be looking at SPY in this chart, but unfortunately that's what we have. So like I won't change it because it's my day trading chart. But yeah, basically like yeah, the 50 EMA, this is a EMA, but ideally we'll look at the SMA for the daily. So yeah, 630 seems to be 630, 630, 63. And yeah, probably we're gonna bounce there as clean as we bounced last time. That will be an expectation that might be broken too, but we're gonna have to wait for that to happen. So PLTR didn't find the breaks at the 150. Right now it's 144.80 something, 144, 145. Yeah, so it's this came down quite a lot. AMD as well, like the. Not sure. Yeah, AMD is getting a really lower. Like, I don't have too much expectations on going really lower from there, but like, or we can have a lot of expectation of it going lower. The reason for that is because. This was a little bit inflated. It's like Nvidia, but Nvidia have a different background.
But AMD has been getting deals, right?
Yes, but that's what I mean. Like you remember you were saying that PLDR was a higher, like too expensive. Like in my personal opinion, as I say, no financial advice, is AMD is way
The same.
Yeah, is more. Well, no more than PLTR. Yeah, like to keep it real, like because we have to say the things the way they are. Yeah, like PLTR is more expensive than the price is way more higher than what it's supposed to be compared to AMD. But AMD is quite high too. Like I mean, we are saying that this stock double while Nvidia just getting like about 30 to 40% higher. So, and yeah, which is not bad. As I say, I don't have anything against AMD. It's a very nice company. And it's just yeah, the price is too high. Like a pullback like that is totally doable. It's totally okay. Like and sorry.
Did you actually find a bottom there, SPY? Did you?
I think it's gonna go to 630. At 630, I have some hopes. There is a subject that I like that is in like it's not for me because I never studied that thing or for like but in finance there is a market dynamic. It's called market it's market dynamic. Yeah, market dynamics. is one of the subjects that I would like to learn at some point, like deeply.
Okay.
Like dynamics. Yeah, like market dynamics refer to the forces and factors that affect the behavior and performance of a market. These dynamics include supply and demand fluctuations, competition forces, technological advancement, regulatory change, and consumer preferences, and economic trends. So you learn a lot how to wedge your positions, like how to hedge your positions when you know about those things. But yeah, it's like basically like the most simple way of like, and it's very like primitive what I'm gonna say, but like it's a way to illustrate how it works. Like when oil go higher, like energy sector, when the energy is too expensive, that affect a lot everything that get transport. So like let's say staples or
Affects the inflation.
yeah, like yeah. So exactly like normally you see one of the two is in up. Like normally if oil go very high, SPY is gonna be like affected by that, like in its uptrend. But yeah, as I say, like it's a subject that I would like to learn. I don't know a lot of that, so like, but you have a lot to see with the correlations of everything of the markets. Para bailar la bamba, para bailar la bamba, te necesito una poca de gracia, una poca de gracia. Ay, arriba, ay, arriba. SPY breaking the bottom one more time. Did something unplug? Did something unplug?
No, something never got plugged. There we go. Feed. Drink.
Today's Wednesday? Yeah, today's
Si.
Wednesday. So tomorrow is the day I have to go for that walk.
Because usually it's today.
No, it's what happens is that I am a little bit messed up with the calendar. But the day is supposed to be Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturdays.
Okay.
Because I it's for sure I cannot go every day. So, but
No. One day, TV.
yeah, one day. Because I can tell you, I was feeling so good, and I am feeling good. I am feeling very healthier, like healthy.
Yeah, that was nice, right?
It's,
Every morning with your father-in-law.
Yeah, but the walk was taking between 1 hour and 20 to 1 hour and 30 minutes. So,
That's a serious walk.
but I tell you, like I was coming back and I said, "Oh, I feel so good, man!" Like, it's so bad than trying. I think I will try to keep it during winter. Let's see if I am able to handle it.
Wow.
Like what I would like to do is like, let's say once I get my schedule set up like correctly and I am comfortable with, I would like to do Tuesdays and Thursday the walk,
Mm-hmm.
and then Saturdays the bike or the bicycle, like that is like more dynamic.
Mm.
Because,
Well, gives
like
you
with the
different
bikes,
things,
I
right?
can go farther and like you can go to like Lemy. Like it's very nice to ride the bike around there.
True.
Beside the lake, it's a oof. It's so funny, like man, like you don't know what you don't know. Like it's. I told you, well, you know, we have been doing kayak, like kayaking here and there.
Yes.
And like in Lac Lemy, we have went a couple times to Lac Lemy, but like we never went to rent the kayaks or anything like that. And like when I do my bike, I pass right in front of the kayak of the office from the
Mm-hmm,
city.
mm-hmm.
What happened is that it looks like a restaurant. Have you ever seen that?
On which one?
In the one that is in Lac Lemy, but the one that is closer to the casino.
Yeah, the one in the back on the other side.
In the other side, exactly.
Yeah. Mhm.
It's like a building, and
It was a
what
restaurant.
it is a restaurant on top.
Okay, it was
Yeah.
a restaurant before.
It's still like a restaurant on top, but in the bottom there is nothing that you can like. Of course, like if you read the freaking label, probably, but like I didn't pay attention to the label. Just that's a restaurant. So
The sign, you mean?
the sign, yeah, exactly. If you read the sign, it for sure will say, and I am not sure if it say it, but like I think it will say it. But what I'm saying is like I just passed by and I said, oh, cool, there is a restaurant. But what I'm saying now is like they say, oh, I want to do kayak. I can go with my bike. There is a camera in there, like so they won't steal my bike. So I guess
So you hope.
you can do your bicycle there and just go 1 hour kayak, and then
Oh, that would be cool, eh?
it's freaking nice.
Look at that.
But yeah, like it's funny. It's funny. It's cool because that one is the one that is 1 hour. Like the rest of the places that we have went for the city, is only 30 minutes. But that one is 1 hour.
Oh. Really? Like Beauchamp's 30 minutes?
Yes, 30 minutes. When you're gonna use the kayak, you can keep like you can renew it, but you have to come back and say I'm gonna keep using it, which I find a little bit dumb for.
Well, yeah, you're in the middle of the lake.
Yeah, you're in the middle of the lake, you have to go all the
yeah,
back.
okay.
I'm gonna use it again, you know, and then you go back, and they say, yeah, say,
That's a little crazy.
a little hilarious.
Yeah, you'd think. And it doesn't have like something for, how do we say?
A walkie-talkie.
No, not a walkie-talkie, but I'm thinking, maybe an app that can.
Nope.
Nothing.
Nothing. You have to go back and see. Which
Come on,
now that you
people.
mentioned the app, I'm gonna ask just in case. But from
Yeah.
what I know, I guess if they will have the app, they will say, "Hey, use the app, and you can say that you're gonna keep it."
Yeah, you could. Yeah, well said, right? Somebody would.
But as I say, the reason why I think they keep it like that, like let's say when we go, if you go too late during the weekend, you have to wait. You really have to wait. So what I understand
They
is
wanna
that
make
like
sure
they want to
that
make sure that
people have
everybody
a-
have the opportunity. Like they say, oh, there is people online, so you won't be able to renew, I guess. But we haven't been in that situation yet.
No.
No. Probably I just gonna wait for Costco to put them on a special. I'm gonna go and buy one.
A kayak?
Yeah. But right now they are quite expensive, I can tell. Like
Well,
right now,
it's not only that, but then it's not only the kayak that you're buying, right?
Yeah,
Then you're buying the rack.
the rack costs like $47.
Okay.
The rack is.
But
is still
are
not
you
bad.
going to just buy one?
No, that's the problem. We have to buy two.
Exactly.
But that's why I say like right now it's too expensive. I did check the other week and I say, oof.
Well, at the end of the summer, Davy, there's a lot of sales.
Yeah, like that's a choice, like to buy it out of somebody that didn't like it,
Mm-hmm.
and like, oh,
Yeah.
but like if you go brand new, it's way above $1,000.
Okay.
So that's how.
But at the end of the summer, because these are big things, right, to keep over as inventory.
yeah, exactly. So if you say like, oh, I didn't like it, then blah blah blah, then you are removing a problem from somebody. So it's like, and then it's like, okay, now.
Yeah, there's that. But even new,
Oh,
like at the
okay,
end of the summer,
yeah, for sure.
because like it's something to keep a bathing suit over winter in your inventory, but to keep a kayak, that takes a lot of retail space
Yeah.
and storage space. So a lot of times at the end of the summer,
Let's see what is the cheapest that they have got. Like, I
they
mean-
can definitely, you can have deep.
Oh, I am not allowed to go in here.
You what?
My wife said, like, bloody say, don't go in there for now. She's hiding something from me, so I have to. It's okay. I have to respect it. So I cannot go and check the historical thing because then I will see whatever she doesn't want me to see.
Oh,
So,
me gusta.
But where would that, like camel? I think it will be camel.
Camel?
Yeah, like here. This is a web page where you basically, like, you go here. Anything you wanna buy, you pay. You come with the link here. You put the link there, and say Amazon, but I was able to do it with eBay. I don't know if now it's only Amazon, but like it should be more stores. Let's see.
Oh, it tells you when it's cheap.
Like, for example, let's say I like this book from Amazon. Like, you come and you put the link here, and then you add Amazon Price Watch, and you say you can get it from Amazon, from third party, or use. So you don't have to specify the price if you want. You just put your email here, and whenever it drop, it will send you an email saying, "Oh, these items have dropped." And here you can see the cheapest it have went. Like, this is a book, so that book have came from $5 to $2.50. So like, but you can, it's any item. Like, I mean, let's say like this is a bed, like it's like 100, like something like a frame probably. So this is the highest price have been is like at $239, but right now it's at $179. So you're able to check. I do the same with video games. Let's say like if I wanna buy a video game,
Camel.
yeah. So there are others that do the same. Like, for example, there is a ready or not next time sell. Like, so this is this place is like for the video game, let's say. So in here, like Car and Jock are playing this game. So and they want me to play with them, and like I want to play with them too. So like here is the time that he went on a special. Like, he go 50% off.
Mm-hmm.
But like right now, like you see here the chart. Let's say, so in the chart, if I see the last 6 months, it have been coming on a special every month pretty much. So now I have been the longest without going on a special. But when you go on a special, you go like
Half price
half of
almost.
the price. So, but yeah, is that there are many pages that do that.
That's
Like,
so cool.
But Camel was I know Camel from about 10 years ago, maybe more. So
Never heard of it. Tells you something, eh?
especially like and like the best time for you to use that is and you can add you have an add-on that you add to your navigator, search engine, whatever you call that thing in English. In español es navegador.
Yeah, search engine, yeah.
Yeah, and like when you are in the actual Amazon, you can see their chart on the bottom,
Oh, we can
and
only.
you know if you are paying too much or if you are paying.
Yeah, because you see the price history, right?
Exactly. So, but what I'm saying is like that's exactly what I was going to say. Like, let's say in Black Fridays or Cyber Monday, sometimes I was criticized like last 2 years we have been criticized because some of the stores like just manipulate the price a bit. So, but like in that
They're able to see.
they don't have in that they are not able to do that. Like I mean, because it's a historical thing that is already there. So
I
yeah.
like that.
So you go in there and you really know if you're getting a deal or not.
I like that a lot. Can we?
Yeah, let's take a little break. We're gonna be back on a bit. Right, we're back. And let's see. AMD seems to be trying to reverse. It's gonna be legit or not? I don't know. Like, I mean,
Well, when we're looking at SPY, Davey, the 633. Oof.
yeah, but I think there is a pending 630 in there. So, like, what did you have at the 633 that you were saying?
Nope, just that how it
How
reacted.
clean it
Yeah,
react
yes,
to it,
yes,
okay.
yes, yes, yes.
So let's take a look at that tape for AMD. That's a very clean chart.
What are an RSI pop for SPY? What about ND? Yeah.
As you can see, I cannot see anything on the tape. There is no sellers.
For AMD?
Yeah,
That's
Like,
yeah. I
it's
don't like
a
it.
very clear tape until the 60. Oh, until the 160. So, do I really want to go against that? Probably no. I should be breaking even to just to be disciplined there. But there is very good volume, but as I say, I have trouble believing that that thing is gonna go anywhere.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Me abrí las puertas de mi hogar. Ay, ay, ay. The right thing to do for me there is to add, but I won't add.
And why not?
Because I'm gonna get blocked.
Mm.
And if I get blocked, adding is worse than without adding, so. I just want to be out at the low of the day, and it has probably won't get there, but like I gonna treat it certain skepticism because
Okay.
like that's for sure is a machine hit the wire there, so
You believe that, eh?
I know so.
At 633?
Mm-hmm. And the problem when that happens is that normally you don't see the volume coming in. Like for example, you see like yes we see decent volume after the print, but when you look at the tape, like let's say the same AMD, it's kind of a clean tape.
Okay.
So the RSI is way too high. So that probably the high of it right now. That's why I say I should be adding there. But yeah. Like SPY is about to print 50 RSI. So once SPY print 50 RSI, it's I just want to see if it's gonna be going higher or if it's gonna be rejecting the VWAP, which is about to hit the VWAP right now. Like we have to put in perspective that we have like what 3 days selling. Yeah, today's Wednesday. Yeah, about 3 days selling. I am not counting Friday, which also was a selling day too, because that's how we end the day, Friday.
Spies at the, Nvidia's at the VWAP.
Yeah. Pretty much, if you see like HIMS is above the VWAP, pretty good. If you have been holding that, pretty good. But like let's say AMC above the VWAP.
Wood. $5 pop.
Yeah, but it's still not even at the price that I was shooting it at first. Like which now it's gonna add. Yeah, it is above. Ay. What about PLDR?
I was just gonna say, just pop $2. RSI on SPY and the volume. It's crazy.
You see what happened? That's why whenever you ask me like why don't you add? Look at AMD. I did add. What it did as a consequence, it got me out right away, right like that.
No.
Yeah. But it's okay. I'm done for the day, and that's there is a reason why I'm doing this that way, and like I know it's not needed anymore. Like we're gonna remove that soon, but for now it's okay. We're gonna keep it for now. Like I think the best price probably is the 640, not even 649 as the EMA, but 640. Why? Because there was a big seller previously. If you see, that was the price I short at the beginning,
Okay.
like right here,
Yeah.
and yeah, it was about 400 lot in there. So if SPY and the whole market is not taking that push up seriously, it will go down from there. But let's see. It's a good point of reference. I'm actually gonna put the blue lines right
Let's
there.
go.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Now we've got a song in our head. SPY's at the VWAP, both VWAPs actually. What a push on SPY.
Yeah, very cool thing. Like that was one of the reasons why like like the 633, like as I say, I will think that it will go lower than that, like maybe to 630. But the behavior that happened there, like the way that they held the 633, is it talks very good about whatever was buying there.
Very strong.
Yeah, like if you notice, like this is a $600 dollar ticket, and like it did bounce by cents, like just 1 cent down, 2 cents down, probably. So yeah, let's see. AMD is reacting to the 40 by the penny. Look at that. Not even touching the EMA. So it probably
Wow.
will touch the EMA because it's a fishable. Fishable, if that's a word?
Fishable?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fishable.
Usually applies to fish, but yeah. Rarely used, though, I must say.
What does that mean?
Depending on what you're talking about, it means that something is possible. The
Like
action
doable.
is possible, doable. Exactly.
Attainable.
Obtainable, yes. So if this wire is fishable in that wall, well, you're able to do what you need to do with that wire. What a good trade on
Man, that
Hims.
volume is sweet. He went above by a lot. Do we see anything on the tape? We don't see anything until very high. So
Wow. If IMS goes by the 5250, that's where it ends. Wow. Ha.
the 4250.
Yeah, I said 52. I did it. 4250. You were correct.
You see the order you had yesterday, like that we were talking about, that went to you say stop. Like in here, let's say if I do believe in my short yet, I could be looking for the short when it re-enter into the 162.40.
Yeah, or 50.
So
Yeah.
in that case, what I say is like a buy order, but a stop loss buy order. So it will be when I put the order, it's gonna show S, but it's gonna be a buy order. Short. No, my bad. Ay. So it will be a sell order, but with a S.
Okay.
If we say L, whenever it's across, if it doesn't come back, it won't get me. But if I say sell S, when it go down, it will get me right below the price or whatever slippage is there.
Okay.
But it will get me in as a short toward the bottom. So
Yeah.
why would I do that? Because I know that the relevant participation that I was observing was at that price. And like whatever happened after is noise. So of course, like you don't take it black or white like it's noise. It could be legit participation, but those moving averages, they are still way too far from each other. So, but the volume is sweet, very nice volume.
Let's go.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
Jala. Actually, by luck, the price there is the opening range bottom.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
There you go, Ims. Let's go. Go peek that. Go retest it. You know you wanna. I'm invoking the grain of sands to participate in buying Ims. Move's not over. It was trading at 52 last week.
Look how it went above, and just the only candle that print green was the candle that across. Look, then red, 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 red. That's a trade I would like to take shorts.
Mm-hmm.
Because now when he re-enter into the 62.41, normally the sellers will take control again.
That's what I'm talking about. Let's go, people. Remember the price I had on BBAI TV?
It was 620,
$6.98.
698. And what is it like? I see your average. Like now, I want to see what is it.
561.
BBAI. Pretty cool.
Is today the day that I get out of BBAI?
Probably if you put an order at around 570, you can be out
With a little profit.
With a little profit.
Okay, okay.
And like it's a healthy thing to do. The reason why I say that is because if you see this is the 30 moving average, the 30 minute, the 200 moving average, you see how it has been acting as resistance. So the 70 is me assuming that it will go snap at the moving average and go down again.
Mm-hmm.
So
That makes sense. Oh,
because we are in a selling regime, maybe you want to keep it, like you want to get rid of it. Yo que fui tan bondadoso, le abrí las puertas de mi hogar. Yeah, there is some buying going on above 162.41.
Is
But-
it?
Yeah, but the fact that they felt the breaks in there, I don't know. I kind of
Okay, fill the wick.
I don't know.
Fill the wick. Fill the wick. Fill the wick. Come on. You can do it. Coming up roses.
That's true, and that's in Venezuela. He put I don't know how many military out.
Okay. '74 is on deck. Let's go.
That's my cousin from Windsor. He have two daughters, like me, but like they are way older.
That's your cousin?
Mm-hmm. You never saw him?
Wow.
Ooh, what happened there? Seemed to be Mexico.
How old is your cousin? On what side? Your mom's side or your dad?
My dad's side.
Okay.
It's about 40.
He's blonde?
Yeah, he had red hair when he was a kid.
Oh,
That's him.
God. And where does he live?
Windsor.
Not too far.
We used to visit more often when we were living in
In
London.
London, yeah. I
Mhm.
was going to say you're very close. Right?
That's his wife.
Oh.
Always with avocado, you know?
Of course. How can you not?
All right, so we are about to wrap this up. I'm blocked
Yeah.
anyway, so I cannot take more trades, but it was a good day in general. Like, I am agreeing at least. So, and I am following my plan in general. It shows in the overall results, but this is slow. As I say, it's very slow. And I have way to ramp it up. It's just like I am just getting used to it. So, what are we gonna do here? Let's see. Well, what is the plan? Why this thing keep going higher? Well, because the SPY is understandable for sure.
Yeah, SPY's crossing now the VWAP, finding strength. So.
Like, if we want to be picky with that, like, there is no reason to go short on AMD right now. Like, I mean, there is a short, like, but it's where is it? Like, and it's funny because it's always close to those lines. So it's at the 400 moving average and the top. Like, you see that 40 lot here?
Mm-hmm.
It's the only thing that I see that can suggest like a little short from there. But you have to absorb the volatility of it because I may wake it out. Like,
Oof.
the fact that like this guy.
It's rare that you see a 5, 6, 7 on spread for AMD.
Yeah, it's like, well, it is very sprayy. But what happens is that he have a tendency to like to sleep a lot.
Mm-hmm.
And then when you're not looking at it, it's like, oof, it just went like a
Yeah, it
well,
just drops in consolidation and just stays there forever.
Exactly. It's like a lot of consolidating periods for AMD. I don't know if that has to see with the share structure thing, but like,
Oh, good point.
look at you. So at that point,
After probably I get out of BBAI, I won't be looking at it. It's a wrong thing to do, but holy cannoli. That BBAI has been. Oof.
I thought you held it because you hold it because you wanna keep it. Like I thought it was so.
No, I didn't want to
You
have.
wanna be clear?
I
Carol?
want no, not really. It's more of what it was with that loss is that there is no way that I was going to come out of that loss with that loss, with that trade, out of that trade with that loss. There's no way. So what can I do to mitigate that kind of loss?
Yeah,
And I
like-
think I did very well.
So you will be okay with getting out of it without making any money out of it, like right there, like basically right, like when you go to your entry, like to your average price, you will be okay with getting out in there and not looking at it anymore.
No, I think that it'll be hard for me
you're
to.
greedy too, you see.
Not. No.
No, it's true,
It's
but
not
that's
greedy. It's
okay.
that
Like
I
that's
thought
good.
that
Like
this was literally. I really do believe that this stock is going to take off. I think that when we're looking that we were trading it, I remember 275, and like so. Do I believe that this could go very very good? Yeah, I like BBAI as a stock.
mhm.
But yeah,
Look, AMD, keep going. Now to the 64. 164. But that's a clean chart, man. That's a beautiful chart. For anybody that have the reversal, that I think Marie has some of the reversal because she was paying attention to SPY. But I was ignoring SPY a little bit. So when you showed me that, I say, what? Where was I? I was probably looking for some videos to show you. But yeah,
I think we were both.
I think this is a good short point. as this was to me, like, and the fact that this one put the stress on it means that this one can work. But yeah, watch it out. Like, I mean, just be careful there. So I'm gonna walk everybody through my trades. Let's see, AMD. Like the first thing I trade, I think it was PLTR. So unfortunately, I didn't hold PLTR, and that's because I didn't look at the tape. In the tape, there was a clear size at 155, right here. And I decided to ignore that, and well, I for whatever reason I just ignored it. So I got it here. He got me out here, and then you see it's history. So, but I was looking short. So the idea was correct. The execution was very poorly. So then I took Tesla. This was the one of the best. Tesla. So I went on Tesla. I went short right here, and in here the only mistake was to not add. Like, and I wanted to add, but I wanted to add at a too high price, so I was also a little bit too picky with the price. So, but Tesla paid really well. Like, it went all the way down here. I got all the way out here because I have a bullish sentiment for Tesla. Like, this is more like personal thing, like because I have that swing trade on Tesla. And I have been like keeping eyes on the news and all those things. I don't think Tesla is gonna go too low. Like, I wouldn't like to see Tesla at 300 again, and that's a big statement there. But like, we never know what the market wants to do. So, but because it was like around 320, 3 something like that, I say, you know what? I'm gonna be all out here. The profit was good. It was just be out of that, and like if the market wants to reverse, like probably I join it in the other side. But yeah, that didn't happen. So then I took Hood, and this was just one shot. Like in Hood, I took a long here at 174 here, and it didn't work. It got me out immediately. So I say the market's tanking, so I don't have a spot to go long in Hood, so I ignore it. To go short, sorry, I didn't have a clear place where to go short, so I ignore it. And then AMD, this one was pretty good too. Like, I mean, on AMD, we went short here a little bit too heavy by mistake. Like that was, but it's okay. Like, I managed it correctly, so it was okay. It's just not the thing I would like to do sometimes. So I partialed in here, like reducing the amount of shares I have. Then I got all out at break even because I didn't want to take a loss with the amount of shares. So I got out at break even, and then I was offering 162.50. I just couldn't get it, so I got as close as I can to the 162, which was like 161.80, something like that. And I partial here, and like that was a good partial. But here, when I decided to add, the software just blocked me with profit because I was already at target. So it blocked me and it got me out. So that was that. That was all what I did. It's a green day, so not big green day, but it's a green day. So and it's a okay green day. So we gotta keep it. Yeah, we have to keep working on those trades. So what about you, Marie?
Okay, so my big flop of the day was Wolf. So Wolf, where is Wolf? Let's go. Okay, so Wolf was a lack of discipline, totally lack of discipline. So I went in at 912. I added on the pullback of 886. I added again at 888, and it got me out at my stop loss. Then, wait, yeah, I only did it once. Yep, so that was a big loss there. I did SoFi. I took a long once. At least that I kind of walked away, but SoFi was a bad walk away. So with SoFi, I took it at 22 with the biggest on the tape, so I'm not.
Got you out.
Yeah, got me out there, and I walked away. But when I'm looking at this here, that it bounced the 2120, then went and tested the VWAP, then came back, tested the VWAP, that came back, tested the VWAP.
It actually
So-
performed better than others.
Yeah.
Many of the others that we have in this.
And my line at 2150, right? I wanted 2150. If I would have got 2150, we're talking 70 cents, but still, you know, hey, I'm glad I walked away from it. And then I hit INTC once. So INTC was the same. So, hey, wow, she's okay. Look at that pullback. That's great. Oh, it's popping up. The tape looked good. So I went long at 24 even. Got me out.
Yeah.
I watched it go and it just kept going lower and lower and
Yeah.
lower. So I walked away. And last but not least, there's bull. So we bull. B-U-U-L. So again, I said, ooh, okay, hey, I like the imbalance. It's maintaining above. It was able to pull back, but look at that pop. It retested the opening. I said, woo, this could be a good long. Looking at the tape, yeah, no. So again, went out. I looked at it perform. I saw it reject the VWAP. I walked away. So these were the ones. So now what I still have, and my winner chicken dinner. So it's
Hims.
IMS.
Yeah,
So
remember you
IMS
do
was
that
a beauty. When I saw it
reversal.
interact,
Yeah. Oh,
right, right there.
She got it
So
from 4105.
yeah, 4105. Then I added when I saw the
Wow,
how
you
it-
got the bottom on that.
Yep. I loved it. I took my first partial at the VWAP. I did
And
it.
then you regret you sold it again.
I did. I did my partial at the VWAP. I did a double partial there. Because I looked at the tape. I said, "Ooh, it's gonna wick back." I added on the wick back. Added again on the top. Kept adding on the bottom to reestablish. I took a double partial again at that VWAP there. Then I took another partial at the 4205, which was great. I added on the pullbacks. My last ad was 41.6. Then I took a partial at 42.30, took a partial 42.50, took a partial 42.60.
Yeah, those are good exits. Like she's having like that. Those partials that she's talking about, she's getting them right here.
Oof. And it's a 10-hour trade
Yeah.
right now. So I'm still in the
That
trade.
thing that I see here
It
is
got
your
me
all out.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it got me out there. I didn't like that pullback. That was a brutal pullback. So yeah, you know what? I'm all out, and that was a 10-hour trade. So I'm very, very happy. I still have BBAI. BBAI, I de-risked the trade, but it was able to give me 2 hours. So I'm happy with that because I was able to add right on the pullback. I added aggressively on the pullback. So yeah, so BBAI right now, it's still popping, but I have an order to. I think that was a great idea, Davey, to have an order at 575. That I'm going to be taking half of that trade out at 575. So we'll see, with profit. So
Nice.
that's it for me today.
So
It
that
was a
was-
good day. It was a good day.
Very nice things. Just I want to mention back the AMD. Like I mean, it's just like when things have a day that they have been selling, and they normally will keep selling because like remember that though a day trader have little shares, or even if you have a bunch of shares, those are things that you liquidate that day. But let's say like when those big companies, those big firms are liquidating massively for some reason, like that can take days and days. That's why. When she was talking about her BBAI, I said like it would be a good idea probably that you put an order at 570.
Well, I put it.
570.
I
The
put it
reason
at
for that is because
575.
since Friday we have been in a selling regime. So if we're gonna be selling for another 2 days, you don't wanna be in that trade trap for 2 days more. So if you got out with little profit, it's better. But like, but we don't know. Like, is this gonna be the reversal for the whole thing? Like, how many times when we look at the SPY, let's see. And I'm gonna SPY in the daily chart. Sometimes we go very close, like let's say this one here. You see, well that has the 200 there. Like there are interactions where you go very close to the moving average. Not many, to be honest. Like now that I look at it, I see that probably like
Yeah,
you see,
but you're in a day, right?
yeah. But what I mean is like if that is correct, it probably should go to 630. But because it bounced a little bit before, is signaling that the market is freaking strong. So in that matter, so it could keep going higher, and like it's just that what I was trying to see how many times it repeat that phenomenon, and it doesn't repeat it too often. So
Okay.
like that suggests that it will print 630 in between today and tomorrow, but take that with a big grain of salt. Like this market is just crazy strong. Like look at that 63 bounce. But yeah, so AMD, look at AMD. Like I mean, he print 630. We have a line there. Like we have 2 point of his interesting, 2 point of interest, which was 162.40 because there was a big buyer at the beginning, and the other point is was 163.70. Why? Because I was considering this can go lower, like this can go and break the bottom of the day. Though like as I say, no financial advice. But like it was the only size I saw. Like there was size only at that price, so that's why I put that line there. If it goes above, we have to know that whoever was buying here, right now he's in the money, so he's stress free. So why will he sell unless he go below here? And that's why I say if I want to go short, I would prefer to go below 162.40 before I take the short. But because we saw the 163.70, the 163.70 also deserve a little shot. So yeah, it's very relative thing. So there. But yeah, that's it for today. I think we both did quite good today in trade management wise.
I agree.
The profit
With
don't
this
always reflect that because sometimes
easy,
we
yeah, a beautiful, easy, non-volatile, totally regular market.
yeah. So I hope everybody have a good day. We're gonna be here tomorrow and we're gonna see you then. So have a good one, everybody. Bye.
Bye.